how to do construction. So enjoy how we learn how to do construction.
Okay, we're ready. Let's go. Go.
Surprise! Trick you. So today's show is where this guy is going to teach all these guys. The black cat is Meow. He's going to be teaching these guys, so enjoy.
So what's going to happen here then?
He's going to tell them which button to press, and it does something.
Which truck is this?
So this is Samantha
Yes.
with Snip.
Snip. And who is Snip? Bring him over and introduce him to the kids.
This is Snip.
Hi, Snip.
He drives these himself.
And the next one? Who's this?
Meow and Bernie.
Hi, Meow. See if I can send him back. Oh, he's struggling. Oh, you have to come and get him. And who's next?
Just wait.
Come on, the guys are waiting.
It's Tonka and Bernie.
Introduce Bernie. Hey, Bernie.
I'm Bernie.
Bernie's
This
the
is
driver.
my vehicle, Tonka number 2.
And the last vehicle. Whoa. And what's he called?
So this is Wolf. He's a dog that operates this excavator all the time.
Okay.
He has to work in this excavator all the time.
So what's going to be happening with these trucks and these drivers?
They're going to learn how to operate these construction trucks.
Show us how it happens.
Well, I don't know how to do it, so Meow has to do it.
Meow is going to show. Okay then, come on Meow. Out you come. From in between those big trucks.
So he's going to start off with cementing. Cementing, when you need, when you need to turn the cement pipe, press the green button in the middle left.
Where is the green button? We can't see it from this side.
It's on the inside. The green left top middle button.
Okay.
You have to press that one, and it will make the cement pipe turn.
Right.
Now, to spin the cement drum, press the green button, red button, to make the big cement drum spin.
There it turns. Show us it turning. Turning, turning, turning. Keep your drum turning. And what's going to happen next?
When you need to stop it, press the green left bottom right side in the middle.
Hey, it would be nice to see you as well, you know.
I was watching from the side.
Yes, I saw.
Okay, next.
Yes.
Meow will teach Barney how to work such a big thing. So Barney, you have to dump it by pressing that's a blue button. Okay, he's going to press it.
Good. Hey, he even goes up himself.
Yeah.
Awesome. I bet that's like going to a fairground.
Yeah.
What a great ride.
So to jump it, Bernie, you have to press the left blue top button.
Well done, Bernie. And down it goes. That's really cool how that happens.
Next up is going to be Wolf getting teached how to do this. So, Wolf, press the blue top button.
Can you just put Tonka and Bernie back a little bit so that we can see him? Hey, there we go.
So, push the blue top button. Look what he made it do.
Yeah.
Then press the green white top button.
Oh, I see his boom arm extending. And now his bucket.
Press the red button where your hand is.
Awesome.
Now, pull that lever on your left side, at your left top side, and it will make it turn. Now do the other.
Oh, yes. He's going round lots of degrees. How many can he go round?
He could go in one big circle.
Aha.
He could go in a circle like a wheel does a full spin.
Like 360, yes, degrees.
The vehicle, so